Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Waller's Wallet, and do you smell that? That's right, that's the smell of a new credit card, and I love getting new credit cards because that means more points are coming my way. So let's take a look at my new card and why I decided to get it. Now, if you want a simple and easy way to help out the channel, hit that thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn that bell notification on as well so you don't miss out on future videos. Alright, now it's time to unveil my newest credit card. And judging by the envelope here, you can see it's an American Express card. And the newest card added to the mix is the American Express Everyday Preferred card. And in the envelope here, you have the credit card. The credit card does come with contactless payment, which is nice. I use Apple Pay or my Apple Watch, so really bringing the card out to tap it near a register or a terminal doesn't make any sense for me, and nor would I really use it. The card member agreement is in here, and when I look at the card member agreement, I upgraded this card about a week ago, and American Express is not going to charge my annual fee until June 2nd. So that $95 annual fee is about a month and a half away, which, I'll take. In the envelope as well, American Express puts in their pay it and plan it options, talking about financing certain larger charges. I personally have no need for this because I don't hold balances on my credit cards, so that's a useless piece of paper for me. Also in the envelope is the earning structure breakdown for the Everyday Preferred, which I guess would be useful for someone if they opened the card and didn't realize what the card was offering. So that is pretty much it what's on this envelope. Now let's talk about why I got this card. Now I've actually had the American Express Everyday Preferred in the past, back in 2015. And when I ranked American Express cards, I considered the Everyday Preferred one of the best American Express cards they offer. It's just a simple card that earns really well, and for people who spend a lot of money on groceries, it is a great card. But I've had this card before, and that should make me ineligible for the bonus if I applied for it. But you know what? I'm getting a bonus on this card because I didn't apply for it. And that's because I actually upgraded my everyday card to the Everyday Preferred. And this upgrade-downgrade game with American Express is such a lucrative and great option to get bonuses on cards if you've had the bonuses before. And we've seen American Express offer these upgrade offers on other cards in their portfolio as well. And at a time when banks are tightening up the screws on people, it's great to see ways to earn bonuses again and again and again. Now, I've kept the Everyday card here in my graveyard and have kept it for one big reason, and that is to keep my membership reward points alive with no annual fee. But upgrading the Everyday card to the Everyday Preferred has been helpful for a few reasons. Now, I did do a full review on the Everyday Preferred a long time ago, but nothing has changed in that card since I've done that video. So if you want a full detailed review on this card, be sure to check out that video. There's really no need for me to completely review that card again since nothing has changed on it. Now, the reasons why upgrading to this card were beneficial for me is first, I'm going to be getting a bonus on this card, and second, there's no hard pull for me since this is an upgrade. So I see this as a win-win. So let's take a look at my offer and why I decided to pull the trigger on this upgrade. Now, when I log into my American Express account, I usually scroll right down to my American Express offers to see what offers are down there waiting for me. And remember, you always want to check your American Express offer from your computers and not from your mobile app, and I did a video explaining that for you as well. And occasionally, American Express will put upgrade offers in where your American Express offers are at. And it must have just been my lucky day, because I scrolled down to my American Express offers and I see a 25,000 point offer when I upgrade from my Everyday card to the American Express Everyday Preferred. And after clicking on that offer, it was only a $2,000 spend in the first 3 months. But right now, American Express is giving people with new cards a 3-month extension. And I wanted to confirm with American Express that I would be receiving that 3-month extension as well, since I was upgrading the card and not applying for it. And American Express did confirm that I would also be getting that 3-month extension on my sign-up bonus, even though I upgraded the card. So that means I'm going to have 6 months to spend $2,000 on this card, which will be quite easy for me to do, even if I'm not leaving my house that much. I only need to spend about $333 a month to reach the requirement, and I'm definitely going to be able to do that. Now, this card does come with a $95 annual fee, which I'll be charged in early June because it's not a waived annual fee. And because I value membership reward points at about 1.5 cents per point, my 25,000 points are worth about $375. And after you account for the $95 annual fee, I am still ahead $280. And I am perfectly fine with that. And even with the lack of travel happening right now, this is still a great time to earn points. Because I have told you before, travel will resume, and when it does, I'm going to have a nice stash of points to burn. And if you look at it from a percentage standpoint, that means for my $2,000 spend requirement, I'm earning about 14% back on my purchases, which is far better than my normal daily rotation, which has been consisting of 5% cashback cards as well as my Bank of America cards. Now, while this offer is good for me, not everyone should take this offer. For people who have not had the Everyday Preferred before, you can find a 30,000 point offer if you were to look in a private browser. But if you've never had the Everyday Preferred and you chose to upgrade your Everyday card to the Everyday Preferred, you would be ineligible for the Everyday Preferred bonus if you were to apply for it. So your best strategy would be to get that 30,000 point offer, then downgrade in a year, wait for the upgrade offer to come around, and then upgrade that card for the bonus again. By taking this offer now, you'd be leaving some points on the table. Now, I am extremely happy to be getting a decent bonus on a card I've already had within an extended time to meet my spending requirement. And to make my wife's life just a little bit easier, I'll be putting this card in her wallet so she can only focus on using one credit card. This makes things easier for her, as well as they make things easier for me as well. But once that bonus is met, then that card is going to go into my credit card graveyard until I downgrade it back to the Everyday card. Because outside of the bonus, I'm not going to get enough value on this card to pay that $95 annual fee the following year. Because my current rotation is quite solid and it does everything I need it to do. So tell me, have you recently gotten any upgrade offers on your credit cards? Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in this video. If you want to help support the channel, a simple way would be links on the website or in the description below. And if you know somebody who could benefit from this video, feel free to share it with them. And until next time, safe travels and take care.